Okay, good afternoon Iloilo. So right now I'm here at La Paz Plaza, just across Burgos Street. So as you can see right now is the tarp that is welcoming Rabia Mateo for her homecoming tomorrow. But besides that, I went to the plaza because there are some lights that are being installed, of course, for the Christmas season. We have some paroles all over or around the fence of the plaza. So let me cross the street. It's a bit of a traffic right now because it's already almost 5 p.m. So this is the tarp right here. It's like a Bahay Kubo design. So it's not a complete Bahay Kubo design, but something like a mini house design. And then we have some mask signs for COVID. So let me let me walk you through the fence of the plaza. As you can see here, there are yellow paroles all around. You can see here on this side, this is the police station right here. Most of the gates are closed, and I think only one gate is open. So all over the fence of the plaza is they installed the paroles all over. But on each gate though, they have set up something like a star, a big one. So we are closing into the one on this side, on Luna Street, Lupicina Street. So this one is a yellow star right here. There. So all of the four designated gates have a star on each gate. This is, by the way, the part of the plaza where it's a children's playground. So we have the swings and then the slides. Then of course the gym. Okay, before going to the front side of the church, I mean the side where the plaza is facing the church. This is actually here on this side is the La Paz Elementary School. This is where Miriam Defensor Santiago went to school when she was in the elementary days. So you can see there, this is the front facade right here. This is the gate. I think this side is facing the La Paz Church. This side of the plaza, as you can see here, there is another star, which is the white one. So let me go inside right now. This is the only gate that's open at the moment. So they have somewhat like an arts type design with all the lanterns, and then yeah, and then I think they have this. These are, I think, imported ones. These are designed. So let me walk you through the tunnel. I think this will be for tomorrow's event as well, or maybe Saturday's event, because they're gonna turn on the lights I think by starting tomorrow. So let me give you the other view on this side. Okay, so we have here the public toilet. Then as I said earlier, the playground for the kids. And then of course the gym over there. On the other side, which is I could say maybe the west gate. The part where we came in is the north gate. So on the east gate, they also designed with something like a candy types of design. I don't know what this is called. So you have here also pearls or lights. And then the amphitheater part. And then the Rizal Monument, of course. So I'm walking towards the direction of the west gate. As you can see there, those are the tennis courts. So the west gate, they also put some lanterns as well. But of course it is also closed. I would imagine that this would be great to look at during the night because of the lights. So let me try to transfer to the lagoon. This area here is the lagoon. Then you have something like a somewhat like a clubhouse or an event house. Then on the south gate, as you can see, they're still trying to install the lights. Then of course the gate is also closed. Then you have the Blue Star right there. And then we have the stadium, somewhat like a stadium over there, and this is the football field. So the La Paz Plaza is the biggest plaza within Iloilo City area, and it is the only one with the football field. So we will try to go around the clubhouse. You can get a better view of the lagoon from here. Okay, so I think this is it for now. So I'll try to get some pictures when, or make another video when the lights are on. By the way, this side on the west gate, you have the orange star. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching.